Toyota's latest generation audio multimedia platform includes a huge list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. To provide drivers and their passengers with powerful mobile internet access, eligible Toyota models come with an in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot trial for 3 GB or 30 days, whichever comes first. This feature offers up access to expanded streaming, browsing, and sharing possibilities through a fast AT&T 4G LTE connection that allows up to 5 devices to connect to your vehicle's Wi-Fi at the same time. This video will provide a closer look at how to activate your subscription, set up the in-vehicle hotspot, and connect your relevant devices. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll first need to activate your Wi-Fi hotspot trial using the Toyota app, or enable hotspot service by purchasing or extending a subscription. For this, you'll need to have a Toyota account, and the vehicle and driver must be registered and enrolled in an active Wi-Fi Connect trial or subscription. Be sure to watch the registration video within this series to learn more about subscribing to connected services. From there, it's as simple as enabling and connecting to the hotspot, then activating your data plan with AT&T. Once your vehicle and mobile device are linked, you can enable your Wi-Fi hotspot by clicking the settings icon on your multimedia display, scrolling down to Wi-Fi, and toggling the hotspot functionality to on. Once activated, you'll be able to view the hotspot's network ID, password details, and security settings, which can only be modified when the vehicle is parked. Now, to continue connecting your mobile device, open the Settings app. Tap Wi-Fi. Locate the vehicle name from the list of available networks. Enter the network password as displayed on your vehicle's multimedia screen. And finally, select Join. On your mobile device, you'll see a blue check mark to signal a successful connection. On the multimedia display, you'll receive a banner notification confirming a successful connection. Congratulations on activating your in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot. Now, if an AT&T plan is already active, you can simply begin using your device like normal. If not, you'll land on an AT&T My Vehicle page with simple instructions on how to activate your trial or subscription. At this point, you're all set up and can now browse online through your connected devices. And your vehicle can now play content from your Apple Music and Amazon Music accounts through the integrated streaming feature. A full 30-day free trial subscription is included for integrated streaming. And you can also use the same user flow to connect up to 5 devices, including tablets, laptops, and smartphones. And that's a quick look at how to enable and connect devices to your in-vehicle Wi-Fi hotspot through Toyota Connected Services. Now you can kick off your next road trip or commute with entertainment features that enable you and your passengers to stream music, movies, and TV shows. Play games, browse the internet, check texts and emails on up to 5 different devices. To learn more, visit toyota.com/connected services.